BMR Review here, back with another video. Today we have the second day of Christmas. So, welcome to the Christmas special. But today we're taking a look at these 4 cars from Hot Wheels. Let me pull them up real quick. Okay. We got the Ford F-150 Lightning Custom, which is pretty cool. It's got the truck on front, new for 2023, Hot Wheels. And then we got the Dodge Charger Drift. Pretty cool car. And then we got the Audi. '84 Audi Sport. Not Audi. Holy. Yeah. Anyway, and then we got the Super Bolt. Super Bolt or Super Bolt. I don't know how to say this. Anyway, it's Subaru, I think. Anyway, let's get them out of the package. Starting with, let's actually find a way to get this stable there. Okay. So let's start with, since we gotta be on this side. Let's start with the, oh gosh. Why? Okay, we gotta start on this side. Put it back in focus. Oh, I don't want that. Stay. We got this one. Charger. Then we got the Audi. Oh, stop taking them off camera. And then we got the Super Bolt. This one actually has a different card, so let me take a look at that real quick. It's that card back there. Has the Super right here. And let's open it up, because this is a Christmas. This is an actual Christmas release. Nice. So what? I start from my favorite, work my way up. So here's the Audi. So it got the 84. Got a couple different sponsors on it. We're going to zoom in. Anyway, it got all these cool sponsors on it. Hot Wheels. What does that say? I can't tell what that says. But yeah. It's got a couple different details on it. You got this yellow stripe right here. Corda. It got actual Tampolin on the front. Awesome. It's the Audi logo. Back, no Tampolin. Red base. Pretty cool. Black wheels all around. This one's actually a pretty solid Hot Wheels car. I'm not gonna lie. Let's finish with the cars first. Then we take a look at the trucks. So you got this blue Pursuit. Track Pursuit. Dodge. Hot Wheels. Black wheels. White front. 55. In that nice blue color. It's pretty cool. I like that blue. The dark blue behind it. Hot Wheels logo right there. 55 again. Black base. For anyone that's wondering. And that's the Charger. Pretty cool car, like I said about the other one. Let's save the Christmas car for last because it is the 5 days of Christmas marathon, which is the second day. So here's the Ford F1 Lightning Custom, I think. Is that what it was? Anyway, it's a pretty cool car. You have this interior right here. You have the Ford logo, not colored in. But look at this paint job, though. It's like this interesting. It's a blue, but it has like blue and gray triangles. Ford logo, F-150 Lightning. It's got this race, kind of like a drift car kind of feel. So that's pretty cool. It's got Ford in back. The bed. It's a cool truck. It's kind of racy, but I like it. It has a what's it called? Disc wheels, gray, and it has a black base. So that's pretty cool. That's a pretty cool one. I think that's one of my favorites out of this one. This video. So here's the Super Bolt, I think. It says Winter 2023. Good year. I didn't know the Hot Wheels had the Goodyear license. It has that snowman thing that they have on these other ones that I got right here. You guys can see those. It has snow like going up. It's like this goldish kind of greenish color. I think that's more green than anything. But yeah, it's pretty cool. It's got like white detailing around it. White tires are pretty cool. That's how you know this thing's been running in snow. I wonder who do they have other cars on the back. Oh, I wish I had the Mini Cooper now. Anyway, yeah, light bar and everything. So let's pull back all of our cars. Get them in the tree. Near the tree. And here is all the cars near the tree for the second day of Christmas. And they look pretty cool together. So let me know which one is your favorite car from this little collection. And let me know which one's your favorite Christmas car between these ones. But yeah, it's pretty cool. I feel like it's gonna be a good video to watch, so stay tuned. You got we are making 5 days of videos here right now, so hit that subscribe button for the 5 days of Christmas, and I'll see you all next time. This is BMR Review signing.